Hi everyone, this is 2025 Camry and we have a maintenance light on because we passed 8,000 kilometers or 5,000 miles. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to get rid of this maintenance light in case you have performed everything that's required to address this maintenance. So we're going to click on settings by pressing OK button here. If you don't find your settings, scroll through your various modes and select settings. So we're going to click OK. Then we're going to scroll here and we're going to find vehicle settings. Again, we're going to press OK. We actually have to hold OK here. Then we're going to go and find scheduled maintenance. And then we're going to click OK. And it will ask, do you want to reset the data? We're going to say yes. We're going to click OK again, reset complete. And we're going to click the back button. So that's how you reset it. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.